Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited today. I wanted to do like a really fun nude, very easy, kind of smoky. Didn't plan on being a little smoky, but it happened and I'm just gonna let it go. But yeah, super easy using all affordable products. So if you guys enjoy this look, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. But if you hit the down button, that's cool too, because guess what? That's gonna help me out. So I love you guys and keep watching. So starting up, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I love e.l.f. I don't care what anyone says. I love their primers. I know that video is going around of that lady complaining, but I just think that's kind of greedy because I feel like for the price and how much you get, for her to complain for it lasting 3 weeks is a little bit selfish. So I like it. And this is a good one. I feel like it doesn't get inside my pores and make them appear smaller and closed off. So I always take a stippling brush and I just kind of push it into my skin. It just keeps your skin a little cleaner. I'm trying to step up my filming game a little bit, but yeah, I'm not very good at like technology. I'm like technology stupid. So if you guys have any tips for me, let me know. I feel like I'm a little dark on this side. Maybe, I don't know, whatever. I'm good at makeup, not good with computers, technology, or math, or science, or really anything. So, we can do. Take this CoverGirl Matte True Blend. This is in T50. It's a little dark because I'm a little dark right now. I'm obsessed with their shade range. They have such a big shade range. A lot of people, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people don't like this foundation. I really like it because it's nice coverage. Like, it's not crazy full coverage, so I wouldn't wear it like if I'm going out. But for day to day, going to work, going to school, like hang with the kids, whatever it is you're doing during the day that you're not hoeing, it will work for you. So I like it. So I'm just gonna, whoa, see, it looks really dark, but if you look at my chest and my arms, I'm really, really tan. I'm gonna spread that. I'm just gonna use my Sigma 3D HD Kabuki. I love this because it gets like into my nose area really good. And I like it because it has that sharp side, so I could get close to my brows really easily. All right, so we got that on. See, I feel like that's good coverage. Like, I can still see a little bit of my freckles, but once you have like powder and stuff on, like it all goes away, and it lasts me throughout the day. I don't know. People love to complain. I like it. Then I'm gonna take the Profusion Sienna palette. So the Sienna palette goes for $9.99. It's available at Target, and I believe it's available at Ulta. I love these. Like, you get so many colors. They're easily blendable and super inexpensive. So it's for all my college girls, my high school girls, my girls balling on a budget like myself. I'm gonna do a nude makeup look, but this is what happens. I always say I'm gonna go for a look and then something else happens. So let's hope we get a nude look out of this. Starting off, I'm gonna take Adventurous right here. Taking Adventurous with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to pat that. See how pigmented this is? Like, it's so pigmented, and it's only $9.99. I mean, hello. And there's not a lot of fallout either, which is nice. So I'm just gonna spread that, and don't be afraid to go a little high. I always go a little high and make my eyes look bigger. Okay. Super easy. Super, super easy. This color called Fearless right here. I'm going to take a Sigma Blending E25. It's a little bit of a flatter edge, but I really like it to kind of pack it on my lids. So I'm just going to pack this right here on my lids. And I'm not like moving it all around. I'm literally just stamping it on my lid. And then as I get into my crease, that's where I'm just going to start blending it into that brown. Just like that. It's like kind of like a medium smoky eye. It's kind of smoky, kind of not. And just make sure you get that color as close to your lashes as possible so there's no like skin showing. I always get this like anxiety that when I'm filming that I didn't hit record, and then I'm like, fuck, because I don't have time for that. I have a very limited amount of time to get any videos recorded because I do it while the baby's asleep. And once she wakes up, she's the boss. She's like the head bitch in charge. So I don't ever film while she's awake because my kids are like my number one. Like, I'm always with them. always doing stuff with them, and I don't ever want them to feel like left out because I'm doing this, you know what I mean? Even though I love this and this makes me feel like who I am, it reminds me that I'm Angela, I'm not just a mom. I just don't, I feel like they grow so fast and I like don't want to miss anything. So that's why I always do it when she's asleep. But if you guys want her to see her, either of them in a video, let me know. All right, then you know I'm gonna do a cat eye because I always do a cat eye, but you can totally do this look without a cat eye. You don't have to. I just love a cat eye. I feel like it just gives me that, like, I don't know, I feel like an adult when I wear a cat eye. I have my cat eye on. If you feel like you messed up or anything, I always take like a little makeup remover and then I like get my finger really close and then I whoop 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 whoop, sharpen it up. Not a big deal, happens all the time. Practice makes perfect, just practice doing it. I'm not doing my lashes or anything until like the very end because I don't know why I do that. Do I do that? I don't know, maybe I'm just doing it right now. Oh, I don't know. I feel like I had too much coffee this morning. Work Fit Me. I love this one. I've always loved it. I've been using this for years. And I'm gonna bring this kind of just down. I kind of bring it to cover my bags, which are right here. And then I bring it down here because this is where I get a little red. Bring it here because I get red here. Red here. And then to just even out my face, I just kind of bring it here and down. But when I mix it all in, it kind of just goes where it wants to go. I'm going to take my Sigma sponge. And this is really cool. Love this sponge. It has like 3 sharp edges so that you could just, I can really get into here so that, you know how like sometimes you put on foundation or whatever and then it kind of sets and you're like what the heck, or like breaks apart and then looks like flaky, or it looks like you missed a spot putting your foundation in. I love this because it like really gets into that crease, so like you can really work that concealer foundation in. And then I love the edge too because if you have a cat eye, you can just kind of tap it as close to that cat eye as possible, and then that will also help sharpen it up. And then I kind of bring it all over my nose, like I said, just to kind of even my face out because I don't want a sharp crazy contour. Like I just like everything to blend together. And I love this setting powder. This is by Dermablend. They make it in translucent. They make it in translucent and then they make it in like colored too. I'm not going to use any translucent because I just, like I said, I don't want like a strong crazy contour. And I kind of push it in, dab it, and then I start at the bottom and then work my way up. That way nothing goes on too much in one spot, then another, and everything just kind of blends together. I love that setting powder. It's my favorite. They actually just had 30% off for Prime. If you follow me on Instagram, I try to always put up like on my stories when my favorite brands are having sales and stuff like that because everybody loves a discount. Hey. Today I'm going to use the Profusion Sculpt and Glow. The Sculpt and Glow is $9.99 as well too. You get lots of highlights. You get a little bit of a contour thing happening here. So we're just going to use that because it's super affordable. Yeah, it's called the Aesthetica or something. If you guys get BoxyCharm, it's in there and I feel like I love it. It's so soft. So I'm going to take the light contour shade and I'm just going to warm my face up. And I always start like where my cheeks are and then I kind of like work my way around my face. Go into my chin. I always just dust it on the side of my nose and then I kind of go over my nose because it's summertime, so I want to look like the sun hit me. Boop, boop. And then I go into my forehead and I just lightly dust it. I'm going to take the medium sculpt in here. I'm going to take the Sigma Small Contour F05 and I'm just going to put this right here, like right where you can feel your cheekbone. Boop, boop, boop. You want that right there. And that's just going to give you a little bit of a shadow. Don't go too crazy because then you'll look like a skeleton and you'll look gray and muddy and gross and you don't want that to happen. Been there, done that so many times. I use the Profusion Blush and Glow. Look at that. It's like a peachy, nudie, blushy, kind of sparkly deal and I love it. This Luxie 522 pink highlighter, tapered highlighter. I think this came in BoxyCharm too. I don't know. And I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. It's so pretty. Stop it. Do I see? It's so pretty. I'm gonna mix it with Fantasia as well. And just, oh my god. So I definitely won't be using any highlighter today because this is kind of like highlighting me and blushing me. A little C. Boo, 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 boo. Go real easy. Super easy. I go up here a little bit. You don't have to go as crazy as I do. We know. I get a little too much with it, but I don't care because I love it. And you know what? If people tell you, oh my god, your makeup looks like this, your makeup looks like that, who cares? It's like really not that serious. Like, do what you like. It's your face. Like, people make fun of you about it. It's not their face, so fuck them. I'm gonna do these Velvet 59 lashes. They're super pretty and fluffy, and if you're vegan, they're vegan, so come together. It's gonna happen. I knew it was bound to happen. I already lined my lips. I used NYX Mauve. Well, pretend it happened. Just pretend. Oh shoot, this is Matte Cream Lip Liner Sparkling Lip Topper. Could have used that. Obviously, if you guys don't want lashes this obnoxious, you don't have to do that with this look, but I have a big grocery store to go to later. Gotta get that full glam on. Big places to go, big people to see, big produce section. It's gonna be wild. So then I'm gonna use this Matte Secret. So pretty. I like it, I like it. I really do. I like it, I like it. Kit, just so we can blend it all. Ooh, it's like nice and thick. I like that. Just take that Adventurous again, which is that light brown. And go underneath my eye. I love the Ame Hydro Boost. Really great, inexpensive find. I wore it in water to a pool party this weekend and it didn't even run. So here is my final nudie affordable look. I hope you guys love it because I love it. These lashes, again, you can make this look your own. Just because you're following someone's YouTube video or whatever doesn't mean you have to do it exactly like them. Do whatever works for you. Makeup's supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be perfect. There's no rules to it. Just love it and live it, and whatever you do, wear it confidently. Guess what? You'll kill it. So I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.